Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Katy Perry.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations on that song. Terrific.
I appreciate it. I get to dress up like a big cat, so I love
we
the
love the
song.
Tony the Tiger outfit.
Yes,
Looking
I
great.
feel great.
Now listen, you love the show, I know. You've been on the show before so many times. If one of these seats became available, would you ever tempt you? Would you ever be a judge?
Oh my goodness, I would love to give constructive criticism. I know that you guys try your best to give constructive criticism because it's actually really hard out there when you become an artist.
Criticism.
So
You've come to the wrong place.
yeah, maybe. I mean, I like that I let Niall through.
Yes.
Yeah, at one point. He's very cute. He's in a
Fifth
little
of One
band
Direction.
called
That's
One
because
Direction.
of you. All right. Listen,
I guess.
the album's out tomorrow. It's great to have with us as always. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Katy Perry.